Hi, I'm Michelle. Welcome back to Finally Revealed. In this section, we've been going over different types of terms that you may or may not know what they mean or how they're used. Today I want to talk about another one of those terms, and this is indemnification. To indemnify or to provide an indemnification sometimes comes up in a context where you're signing a contract, you're making a settlement, or you are separating. Maybe in a business you're going your own ways, or you are selling someone something, or they're selling something to you. To indemnify someone means to, in common terms, cover their back. Means that you are going to step up for them and you are going to take care of them and any claims that are made against this person for the circumstance described, for the product that's being sold, or otherwise as is explained. Now, to be responsible for the indemnification, it should be clear what it is that you are indemnifying them against. Is it something that if something goes wrong? Is it for a particular claim? Is it for a particular amount of a claim? For example, somebody is settling a bill for you and they say, is this all you owe? And you say yes, and they pay, for example, $5,000 on your behalf. Then they say, look, I want to be indemnified because now I've got this car, I paid off the loan, and if anybody else comes back against me and just wants to get more money, I want you to be good for it, you to be responsible for it and indemnify me because I don't want to have any surprises. So will you do that? Well, make sure that that is covered. Make sure what you're talking about is clear in the indemnification. Also, if you are indemnifying someone, make sure you read it carefully because indemnification by itself is the principle. But then there will be a series of words after that, if it's in a clause in a contract or just a separate indemnification agreement. It will say what you're indemnifying them for. Is it a particular claim? Is it for a period of time? Is it identified just to a product? Does it also include interest? Does it include attorney's fees? Does it include all costs of any court matters? Also, some indemnification agreements or clauses may say that they have the opportunity, if a claim is made against them, who is the person that is being indemnified, they can go out and hire their own attorney, whoever they want, at their own cost, and you're going to indemnify them against any loss, which means you're going to be paying the bill. So make sure you understand exactly what you're getting into. You may think there's no problem, this matter's resolved, and I don't have a problem indemnifying you and just giving you that comfort. But make sure you understand what you're on the hook for potentially. And also, depending upon where you live, make sure that you understand how long that can go for. Because in the normal scheme of things, this is another type of a contract, and contracts have a set period of time that they are enforceable. So if it's not provided in the indemnification agreement specifically as to a time frame, make sure that you understand how long you have this possible thing that can come back that you're going to have to be responsible for. Okay, so that's indemnification. I hope that helps you. If you're interested in our other videos, take a look at the playlist because they're organized by subject matter. If there is something in here that you watch that makes you have another question, leave us a comment or send an email, and I'll be happy to take a look at it and possibly make a video for you on that subject. And if you want to be alerted when our new videos come out, follow us on Twitter or Facebook or subscribe. I'm Michelle, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.